learning time.
Let's know the 10 words in alphabet F.
Kids, this is letter F.
F for fish. Fish. F for football. Football. F for fingers. Fingers. F for frog. Frog. F for fruits. Fruits. F for flute. Flute. F for food. Food. F for fire truck. Fire truck. F for fan. Fan. F for fox. Fox.
Thank you, Cooties, for watching this video. Please press bell icon and subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye. See you.